Sure thing, let's get into it. When I first heard about setting up an Intune policy that restricts end users to save files only to OneDrive, I immediately saw the great potential in bolstering our company's data security. The last time I had an IT conversation, we delved into the benefits of cloud storage and central management, so this topic felt right at home. You see, one of the most compelling reasons for restricting file saving to OneDrive is the safety nets it provides. Imagine our most sensitive files, like financial reports and customer data, being accessible via a mobile device or from off-site locations. Purely not a good idea, isn't it? By ensuring all users save their files to OneDrive, we create this secure bubble that centralizes our critical data, mitigating risks associated with data breaches or loss. To get started, the first thing is to understand your Intune setup. We'll need a dash to Microsoft 365 Admin Center to pull in those credentials. From there, we'll navigate to the Intune console and grab our gear, Intune policies, they call them. Alright, let me walk you through configuring an Intune policy to lock down this file-saving function. First, let's create some conditions. In our Intune admin console, bypass the usual greetings, we are making a policy that says, files can only save to OneDrive. Pretty straightforward, right? In Intune policies, you can whip out the user configuration, and within that, go for the Windows settings to fine-tune the behavior concerning saving files to disk locations. Now, grab the Disallowed Saving Destinations option, and we can tell Intune that by definition, our users can't save anywhere but Microsoft OneDrive for Business. We also want them to avoid local storage, like desktop or network drives. It's all about keeping everything in the cloud and nothing else. But wait, we need to consider what devices can access these resources. By selecting all devices for the scope, we are treating every user and every device like a VIP, as they should be, with all their access, right? Still, we'll need to keep an eye on exceptions, as sometimes, a little rogue behavior is just a person needing special access permissions. Next, let's look under the Saved Data Location subheading and pick Managed Storage Provider. We are ensuring the data will be saved and managed by OneDrive, which comes with the Microsoft 365 subscription, naturally. It's like telling the system to manage your files and not to let them roam free. For each user involved, we are going to get specific. We can set this policy using the device management console or directly configuring the user's endpoint. This way, we have granular control, ensuring that it's tailored to each individual Senbri's specific needs and situations. It's like giving them a personalized suit of armor to wear in our digital arena. As we tailor this policy, we have to remember Intune is smart. It needs to understand the types of files and services we are dealing with. So, we specify the application type, if relevant, and clarify that only users can save files here, which is where things get intricate. Now, the policy feels alive. It's ready to enforce, so it's time to roll out. We deploy it, and as part of this crucial task, we ensure we notify affected users that these changes will impact how they typically work. Chances are, they'll wonder how to get files out, but rest assured, they'll be fine. We have thought of contingencies. And for those in the office with USB drives and external SSDs, we set up guidance on using them within the secure network, ensuring they too understand our digital landscape. As we set the gears in motion, there's an element of trust and reliance. These policies are built to be adaptive. As requirements or systems evolve, policies may need updating. Still, the beauty of Intune lies there, the policies adjusted and managed without manual intervention until changes are made by an admin. This whole ordeal, a mere touch of bureaucracy, saves us from the common blunders of file misplacement or loss, and it keeps our IT and security folks a lot less worried, giving them more peace of mind. They can now focus on supporting our users, answering questions about how to navigate these new digital terrains. Now, let's not forget something essential: compliance. With this new policy, we align ourselves with industry standards and legal regulations that mandate stringent controls over how sensitive data is accessed, stored, and managed. It's not just about securing our files against malice, it's also about maintaining our integrity and reliability in the eyes of our clients. As we conclude this little adventure, remember, all these efforts are about preserving a trustworthy balance, a safe, secure yet accessible working environment. We make sure our company data doesn't just live in a cloud, unguarded, but in a fortified, intelligent, and managed space where we hold the reins. To recap, this process ensures that all user files are saved securely to OneDrive for business with our Intune policy. It's about control, security, and keeping all our digital goods in one place where they belong, the cloud. Now, if you are eager to really wrap your head around these details or find yourself in a similar need, head over to neeraj.qzz.io. Make sure to subscribe to TechLab for all your technical needs. See ya there.